Excellent question. Understanding ARA is core to mastering adaptive autosar. Here's a detailed yet clear explanation. What is ARA in adaptive autosar? In adaptive autosar, all platform and application services are accessed through standardized C+ APIs that reside under the ARA namespace. ARA stands for Autosar Runtime for Adaptive Applications. It defines the runtime API layer between application software components, your adaptive apps, and the AutoSAR adaptive platform services, e.g. communication, diagnostics, logging, etc. So in short, open quote, ARA equals standardized C++ interfaces for adaptive AutoSAR runtime services, close quote. Structure and naming. Every platform service or functional cluster in adaptive AutoSAR has its own C++ namespace under ARA. Example, service, module, namespace, purpose. Close quote. Communication management, ARA, COM, service-oriented communication via SOAM IP DDS. Execution management, ARA, start, stop, manage application lifecycle. Logging and tracing, log, centralized logging through DLT. Diagnostics, DIAG, UDS diagnostic service access. Persistency, PER, store, retrieve non-volatile data. Security identity management, IAM, manage certificates, keys, and permissions. Time synchronization, TS, access to synchronize global time. Crypto, cryptographic service APIs, utility common, ARA core, error handling, result types, etc. Why ARA API is important? 1. Standardization ensures the adaptive AutoSAR applications from different vendors can interoperate seamlessly. Example, ARA COM interface works the same on Vector, EB, or KPIT adaptive stacks. 2. Language integration, fully based on modern C++ 14.10, object-oriented exceptions, RAI templates. 3. Service-oriented architecture, SOA, applications use find service, offer service to dynamically connect via ARA COM. 4. Safety and security isolation. Each adaptive application runs in its own process with defined permissions managed by ARA IAM and execution management. 5. Dynamic updates and ARA UCM support on-the-fly software updates using manifests. Example, ARA, communication. You can see the code in our conversation history. This shows how an adaptive application interacts with another service dynamically using ARA COM. Summary, feature classic AutoSAR, adaptive AutoSAR. Language, C, MCAL, RT APIs. C++ are APIs. Interface type, static RTE interfaces. Dynamic service discovery. Communication, signal-based ComStack. Service-based, ARA COM. OS, OSIC RTOS. POSIX Linux QNX. Updates, Flash-based, dynamic SPC updates via UCM. Logging DIAG, DMDCM, ARA log, ARA DIAG. In simple terms, is the core API namespace that allows adaptive AutoSAR applications to communicate, log, store data, manage lifecycle, and ensure security, all using standardized C++ interfaces. Would you like